haircut. Next key, CF number 5. Before Shacharis, it is forbidden to come up to the door of another. There is to go out of one's way to greet him and to say Shalom Aleichem. Even to say good morning is forbidden. As it states in Yeshayahu 2:22, decease from honor of a man who has breath in his nostrils, for which for with what he is respected. So let's do from the beginning and see what's going on here. So I said before the Shacharis. So forget about Shabbos. We're talking about any day Shacharis. Before Shacharis, it is forbidden to come up to another's door and to go out of his way. So commentaries say even the parent. So if what they're trying to say, if this person is on your way, right, you cannot avoid him. So of course that's what you do. But don't go out of your way to greet him and to say Shalom Aleichem. So commentaries say includes even going over someone in a shul to greet him. So not only in a house or to go to your neighbor. No, even in a shul, it's forbidden to greet him and say Shalom Aleichem before he prays. Even to say to him good morning is forbidden. Commentary. The use of the word Shalom in greeting is a more severe prohibition because Shalom is one of the names of HaShem and is improper to mention his name to honor another person before honoring HaShem himself with a prayer. Which makes sense, right? Of course, it's not, they don't need my permission, but Shalom is one of the names of Hashem, so you cannot greet somebody else before Hashem. So, but if you say all of the morning blessings at home and you said all the carbonus and some other things, so you may be lenient, but otherwise no. As the verse states in Yeshayahu, right, decease from honor of the man who has breath in his nostrils, for with what he is respected. This means to say, with what justification do you show a man respect? And you greet him before praying, and you thereby put his honor before my, Hashem's honor. So let's read the commentary and explain. The word deceased from the honor of the man refers to the time when one is obligated to honor Hashem. As in this case, when one is obligated to pray. That's how you honor Hashem. You say all of these prayers. The verse cannot be referring to all the times, to all other times, when there is no reason to desist from honoring another. Okay, so before basically the proper way before the prayer, not to greet people. If you cannot avoid a person is ignoramus, he does not know or for whatever reason, so you, of course, if he said good morning, you have to answer good morning. Or just what I do, I come very early into shul, so there is nobody to greet, so you're safe in this way, right? If he met him by a chance, according to halacha, one is permitted to greet him. This person, like you're on like few feet from each other. Okay, so if he's not praying, so of course you can greet him. But if he's praying, so do not disturb him. But it is proper to change his language, so that his friend should notice that it is forbidden to be busy with other things until he prays. Okay, so what does it mean? They say, for example, he should say good morning and not Shalom Aleichem. So the proper Jewish greeting is Shalom Aleichem. This greeting is permitted in a case of the chance encounter, but not when going out of one's way to offer greeting. As we said before, so if he has no choice and this guy is right up in his face, so okay, of course he can say good morning. Okay. it says change the language so that his friend should notice that it is forbidden to be busy with any other things until he prays. So commentary. If one recites Birchas HaShachar, he may greet others that greet him. If one recited Birchas HaShachar, meaning if he recited, as we said before, the morning blessings, he may greet others that he meets. Mishnah Berurah. So basically, that's why it's better not to ever leave your home without saying Birchas HaShachar, morning blessing. If one is greeted by another, he may respond even before recited Birchas HaShachar. Mishnah Berurah. So the solution is, if you left your house before you leave in your house, you say all of the morning blessings. So basically, you're safe. Even if somebody greet you, say good morning, so you can answer good morning. There is no problem. Okay.